So, based on the video from Gentle, and he made something very, very crucial there. You see, every focus is on what he said about men on ground not receiving anything from COS and all that. Nobody want to talk about what he said about Royce, the imposter, who still claim some people are very, very funny. Until now, the guy said he's defending it that he's the Butozo. He's still saying that until now that he's Butozo. Can you believe that? My goodness, he is even after hearing from Gentle, he still believe that people are going to listen. And behold, Ogenkere camp are following that very, very well. Now, the time that we are now is very, very, very crucial, very, very delicate time. And that is why sometimes, like me, I'm not bothered or worried about anything. Never. Even if everybody choose to do anything they want to do, I'm okay with you. Just I wish you good. But I cannot. One thing I'm not gonna do is to try to use or to stop you to from what you are doing or what you want to do to free Biafrans or Igbo people or anything. No, that I'm not in support of you does not mean that I have to be an obstacle to you. But saying the truth shouldn't it should be my primary purpose. You understand? Now, this guy called Royce, Gentle expose him. Remember, if you talk about him before, like he will start calling for your head that you are here banned from entering Biafra land. Okay, yeah, boy, threat in life for Kenana TV. Life of many, even what is the name of this guy? Remages. He has threatened the lives of many people. Man, oh yeah, work before, but in terms of no work and he's nothing to write home about in terms of men on ground and anything. But not just maybe we have S and NASA general. This handle was the same handle that said something against PM in the past as men on ground. Later, he started apologizing. How many of you remember that? Does it mean that PM don't know if he's men on ground or not? Because I believe that he don't know. He just ignore him. If it maybe men on ground have right to do what they want to do, he's not holding them ransom, which is normal thing. But for you to understand that somebody somewhere who is close to him is the one who handle this account, and people have target to Akparawa, target to Chemakajere. You're not far from the truth. But the summary of the whole thing is that somebody who is a Commander Gentle or General Gentle, is here to set the record straight that this guy is not Botozo. Most of Ogenkere people that are clapping for him, calling him my commander, my comrade, they're okay. Until now, they're still telling you that, look, he's our commander, he's all we know, and that is who he is. I don't want the video to be too long, but before we go further, do me a favor by clicking on the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Your comment is very, very good so that we can know your own opinion on that. I always read comment. I don't joke with comments. Even from those or akpajas, those who want to teach you and lead you whereas they can't see a blind man contesting for election to lead Biafrans and making sure that they deceive you by any means necessary. You can't deceive everybody. You can't. So, my people, we are going to go through the post, the reaction of Royce after being exposed by Commander Gentle. And some comments from Biafrans, those from Ogenkere camp and rest of them, and of course, genuine Biafrans. You're going to hear that on this video. That's why you need to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not. So let me quickly open it because a lot is to to be discussed here. Now, the post, this guy, Mr. Capital Letter, people that Chineke mere mmadụ ebere. This to tell you that imposters here and those struggling to, no wonder he's support of Ogenkere, because they all know themselves. They all know themselves. Now hear this. He said, it is so shameful that everything I have been saying since was ignored by some Biafrans. But all I have to say, no, this is the wrong one. This is not the one I want. Let me go to the main one. This is not the one. This is not the one. He started this one. Okay, this is the one that actually no, not this one. No. He don't joke with pumping messages every now and then. But I want to pick the one he talked about, where he talked about. Okay, now here we are. He's trying to do damage control. Those who said C. Royce is not general in BDF. My question goes to Umo Koko. I don't know if you're referring to Gentle or some of us that are trying to reconfirm it through the video of Gentle. In fact, you know what? Let me see if I can, if I will locate that video first, so you hear what Gentle said. That may make sense, right? That may make sense. Let me see if I can locate that. Okay, now hear this. This is Gentle. What Gentle said about Royce. It's not all the video. This is just the part where he addressed Royce. No, start again. Start again.
Rose. Rose, listen. Butozo is not Rose. Please, I want Biafra to understand this. Butozo is not Rose, and the Rose is not Butozo. Rose is just moving around deceiving people with the name of Butozo. Rose, be careful. Be careful with Butozo. Never you ever try it again. If you want to broadcast on your own way, broadcast with your own separatist name, Rose. Please and please get this. Get this now. Make sure you broadcast with your own name. Leave Butozo alone. Never you ever try to broadcast with Butozo. From today henceforth, we are the men on ground. We are all alone. We are the men of.
Did you hear that?
Rose, listen. Butozo is not Rose.
Okay.
Please, I want Biafra to understand this. Butozo is not Rose, and the Rose is not Butozo. Rose is just moving around deceiving people with the name of Butozo. Rose, be careful. Be careful with Butozo. Never you ever try it again. If you want to broadcast on your own way, broadcast with your own separatist name.
Okay.
Rose, please and please get this. Get this now. Make sure you broadcast with your own name. Leave Butozo alone. Never you ever try to broadcast with Butozo. From today henceforth, we are the men on ground. We are all alone. We are the men of.
So that is Gentle there. Sending a very serious warning. For you to know how criminal-minded people can be, this guy quickly rushed to his second account to give himself a very good comment that makes, so that it not be as if he's one saying it and he shared it, and you're gonna hear everything now. Now let me start from the beginning again. Those who say that Cyrus is not the general in the BDF. My question goes to Umokoko. How come whatever I said or posted, all the generals will come up to say same to back up what I said? You don't know the privilege you have to hear directly from Royce himself. Now you said you cannot see Royce, but those who gave the privilege for you to see are saying same thing. I the unseen, am saying. Who is now fooling who? Same thing, my beloved son, Commander Gentle, the Yahoo said here, didn't you see it in my past, in my post I made 2 days ago? Really? So trying to tell you that he don't want to comment, he's not okay with what Gentle said. Same thing that my son, Commander Gentle said, my son. Can you imagine the level of the imposter? Can you imagine the level? Now, he's trying to tell you that he told you few days ago that COS is not sending money, and they are all alone. Like what's trying to tell you that what's Gentle said here is exactly what he told you few days ago. And to him, he's more higher in rank, like he's Oga of Commander Gentle. That's why he called him my son. Same thing, my beloved son, Commander Gentle, the Yahoo said here, didn't you see it in my post I made 2 days ago? Some will say, oh, he is impersonating Igwe Butoso. He is not Igwe Butoso. Maybe the name of our father is Igwe Butoso. He is online commander. Don't worry, I still have the patience to accommodate all the trash. Where I am waiting, where I'm waiting for those ones is when they will cry out to say Fulani molested their mother. Running to Royals will be impossible. In the BDF, we are one connected by one umbilical cord. We are brothers. All this born by mistake think they can push us, but we stand gidigam, gidigam until I met all this running, until I meet all those running their mouth. Then I do the needful without hesitating. More threat. Buying. Life giver. This Royce, the online commander, after I'm done with Orabeze and those errats, if they hear the name Royce, they will flee in hurry. Udo, that is everything that you are not. You are praising the person that said that you are not. Then you are threatening to buy people who re-echo the same thing that your son, according to you, said. Okay, now what are the thing now? The second account that he pinned his comment here is this. The person said, which I believe is his own second account, he said, but do you guys know that even Gentle may not have seen Royce, but take order from him as directed by PM, just to keep the head totally anonymous, to reduce concentrated pressure from the enemies on him. If all know him, one among 12 soldiers will betray him. This is not a good defense, to be honest with you. This one is just like, somebody who is not reasonable enough, trying to pretend that you are smart. You know what I say? What you're saying here, it doesn't make any sense. So only you is worth protecting and keeping from the eyes of people. Don't you think that people like Gentle now, people respect him so much? Why? Because they know his face, they know his voice, he's not hidden, and he's controlling himself in terms of like, he's not just put himself out there for people to buy. He takes someone with braveness to do that kind of thing. That's not the fact. It is not easy. You are hiding and covering according to you. Of course, I'm just trying to reason like you, that you are truly a command, even though it is not. I don't know who do you, for some of you claiming, oh, he's a gentle, he's a commander, he's general and all that. He's real. Who again do you want to hear this to confirm, to validate it from? Is he who? Who is the person? Now let us go through comment here. Somebody that posted the video of Gentle said, I'm totally confused. What is going on? Another confusion again. What is all this self? Yeah, I don't think somebody who I'm not expecting you to be anybody to be confused about this. Gentle have actually delivered many of you, but some of you are well tied, with a voodoo. You don't even know, if you don't even have shame after lying to Biafrans that you are General Butuso and Hunter busted and Hunter busted you, you still come out to try to type nonsense. Are you calling Gentle Hunter? I don't understand this person. No. I saw the Umoko Koravese claiming that, oh, Oye Yahoo said said Ross should stop impersonating Igwe Butoso. And I laughed. So there is really serious, though he is just online commander. Ross is Igwe Butoso and Igwe Butoso is Ross. Deal with it. Ndị a bụ ndị oge nkere na-akwụ ogene n'isi ha. This one said, please, if you are our Butoso, we implore you to tell Commander Holy Ghost and Gentle to make a broadcast to legitimize this your ex handle. If not, question mark will be placed on this handle because a person like me cannot be following what I don't know. Thanks. Onye nke aka na sense ya abachabeghị n'ime ife a na-eme ọfụma. Aka ji ya, ọ ka on progress. The other one said, oh, that's why for Junior said, Omo, una don't confuse everybody now, no. Answer. I don't know what you mean by answer. Answer what? I don't understand what you mean by that. And the one for made a comment. I think the first one was a mistake he made. He said, Omo, una don't confuse everybody now. I swear, both Nigerian and Biafrans, I cannot believe that you guys are doing this online. God forbid. Bond said, one worst thing is that if they expose you, you will now write one long note that does not have ending, bro. Stop this these shenanigans. Stop this shenanigans storyline of yours. We now know you are an imposter. And like I said, you get some information from inner men on ground. You are an imposter criminals. Go and hide your face in shame. We smart Biafrans know this for a long time. You are a content creator. That's all. You are busted here on monthly tip from Elon Musk Oye Oshi. Biafran Okpai, my general rather, I am saluting you and all the BDF from Oyenka Boyo Gekere with na ndị Ikekwa. Ebe a na-agatela aka. This is Sonny and Vam we know. Salute to Commander Ross. Can you believe that people are still believing that thing? But few Biafrans because to be honest with you, many people that are supposed to give him a very good response are no longer following him. That's not the fact. Umoko Commander Ross is ahead of you mentally, physically, and spiritually. And what all this you have plenty time. All this you have plenty time. I don't know grammar to write episode. Yet you claim to be a abusive soldier. On contrary, Orabueze is now contacting Sampele using Ugo 247. That is yet to be verified. Nobody knows what is going on about that one. Ugo need to speak up. to tell Biafrans if that is true. Now it is clear. Akparawa Sani is Akparawa Sani, is that you? This page is Sani Akparawa. Page Sani, a way of speech. I don't understand what this guy means. The language is mixed up. You are finished. You are finished. This deceit has finally catch up with you. Criminal. The Ross you always call your boy has come out and warned you, and that if you ever try it again, you will be dealt with. And you are the kind of I don't want to use the word idiot. They are supported useless Oyibe. A lot of comment contradicting each other and all that. Now that it is very clear that Butozo is not Rolls. Well verified first hand class information from Gentle. What is your take about it? I am happy about this one, and it's not trending. Nobody's talking about it because everybody is talking about COS, what about money and all that. We're gonna hear from them very soon, hopefully, to know all this thing going on. And like I said, I'm not in a position to go beyond my limits. So thank you so much for your time, and make sure you like the video, of course. Tell me what you think about it. Are you one of those that actually believe that Royce is somebody that is Butozo? Or do you know it just like we do? Do you know everything that we like we do? If you do, then you have been proven right by this video of Commander Gentle. God bless you all, and bye for now.